Have you ever wished you had a tool that made electrical problems so much easier to solve? Whether you're a pro or you're just curious? Well, here's one of the most powerful tools that you can have. This is the ANCEL PB100 PowerProbe. I remember the first time using this on emergency parking brakes, and I just thought to myself, why did it take me so long to come across this tool? The reason why I use it is because one, it does save me a whole bunch of times. And then two, certain vehicles are just extremely hard to get put into service mode. This skips all of that and it allows me to retract the brakes when I need it to. But before we dive any deeper, this is just a reminder. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we'll be doing a free giveaway. And if we hit that goal by the holiday season, I'll go ahead and double the giveaways. So 2 gifts instead of 1. To qualify, you just need to be a subscriber, leave a like, and drop a comment below. This tool also tests components like door actuators, emergency parking brakes, and more. And how it works is because you can send 12 volts straight to the component and you can also pinpoint a ground. Also, it does come with 2 separate attachments. One right here can be attached to a battery, and then this one can also just go into the smoker's port of your vehicle. So if you guys learned something new, go ahead and like, follow, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see this tool in action, go ahead and click on this video below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.